because any one is answer. She said, "I say the best like I say you were in Swaka CM and some come sanka." Near the war, a tournament man mean in Suma Utumino, Meka and Cobra in Sukasia, Meka Pra in Sukasia, Meka River Bonsa, na in Sukasia. The Sunshine, the Ghana Water Company Limited. Omoche, no more as on listen to Mamma, you know what I said, maybe Yuma. She said, "I know, because if you general buttons have been now, I'm so air ration water. You need to go on my venom." And she say, excavators, Biara. I'm a green Jabia Kosovo, Galamse, and Kwaya Kunuma. You must say, the one way and say, already, if you are saying who the problems that you won't choose and so that. Yeah, I say, Ghana water bomb, and you say, every now copying Abia, April, and I name one most idea. In so because why and now, they call the boss in chair, a coffee honeymoon. So, would you want us a catcher, say, in so winner, yeah, yes, sir. Na ya di no dugu misama ebeye fita no bi e de akoka eto ana banku a edwaso mo so akoto bi edia menyin ni da sese wonim se ho ne to enso no sa na tia nka bia wo benu mumpo eni aye poto tese galamse fo ne de kasna sometimes ayana eya so dwani hwe ni e ka se ebeye ni nyina na after 3 years down the line that's why I fight this very problem. Then you get to question yourself, saying, "I'm the Ampani. I can't say Tagalam Sino." It's inquisitive. Now, my main for wing from Frenchim. Don't say Galam Sin and Casasini City, no corner, and yet never start you. Every 1960, Besu 1989. Yakusa, Cosisa, and Rani by so Sabde, Yama. A man from where Ghana for no any artisan na libi into the mad by somewhere 1989. In the first Sabrina Bepim 1989 no me akubi dada. In the percent then ke galam say na elsanka history. Etimi boy en kakra wom. Na yetimi hu kwan e befa so e betima fight galam say no ma yetimi enya yensu na protecting. But so hwe ne ye na betum sabre yi ne de gusu ye na dia. Captain me na gbe me sa do yi ne se me boy ka say ye nya krado say be fight galam say. Esan say so we galam say na ye won kofo a mugu pit no mo yes adwuma no mo ye number 1 ene ye won kofo mo sika o ma ye krado so mo do mo sika ne ba be galam say mu o mo ye number 2 ene kofo mo talk gold na nkasa so mo wi a o mo ye number 3 enti so pese wo fight sa galam say na sa enyema miensen e so do weni koso nipa o shet pit lim di ono so woni sika ono so we more pit no mu na they can buy excavators about over $1 million Ghana cedis near the ekeka ho sa boys no mo am no mo ni sas committee na got excavators and you won conform we financiers and the purpose of fight galamsey na don't focus all your energies on sankrofo na mo wa mo nanimu no. Okay, so we have deployed the military chasing them up and down, forgetting say military no kwanya and e best at using military to fight them and go see there are military officers deployed as we speak. They've stopped their military job as you see Omankasa minus themselves.
Abrimpong, asembisa bitre madrin. One say Yakov Galamsey, Yaji excavators free nipa Adom Nsem. But masembisa ni say so obebua matiyetimi amayanyantiase ni point by point. Ni entia ye bedroom pempenso a Galamsey duduwo say Galamsey over 500 excavators duduwo say. Na ye jadishe nipakuma binsa sa wo monhwe so you have been following. How did we get here point by point? Obrimpong.
Onim na make us enye me wan say you do this stage. Esan say the motivation and conform mo yes financiers now omo Galamsey mo no they are ready to do everything. But the minute was some na no a. Oh say bra you started say fight Galamsey na nkasa no. Ye say oh yeah the MMIP bi aba. MMIP no ne be ne say sa omanfo a omo wo field no so omo ye admin ne ka kwacheche omo ye the operation Vanguard be che omo na de omo ba. Na say che omo wi a ye the ban beto sa small scale mining no so. Na ban no atu no boa ye nhihye a odi bebie ama omo asakọ back. Before me come back no na bia ye jeni na kama e de gu na kwem. Enyuma na e wo say sa ministry na say all the people who were involved so omo yes sa edwuma na ma the sanitizer we ho no mo no. It included say excavators no a omo de kwakoye edwuma back no. Ti say na ye say omo nyai ye de ban ato so omo nyai. Until you budget all excavators at one spot. Yeah, we are going to look for tracking devices made about all these machines. And you know, say time I rectify and I better or more small scale mining lines is we are. The vision is to give back excavators in no matter the but as time the tracking devices the abubum and sana you guide their mom some phone back. As we speak, you name some left the ban another bad. And you know, ideally, and the branch or more left the ban. Now you're saying affect all the tracking devices in the excavators. But quite funny, we didn't do that. Yet BA said a man for them come back and conquer Galamsey and also conquer small scale mining, which we of course know that others are also doing the illegal bit as we speak. We gave them that permission to go back. Now sank 50 start tracking devices in each of the excavators. No, we didn't do that. And to right from the word go, we knew that there was a problem. The problem was that Galam Stop, which was supposed to link up all the data from all the ministries and also all the agencies involved in the fight, Galam Stop was supposed to have this very software, a bit link up all these excavators, and from a click of a button, Obi Abetini who say, oh, excavators Bakusi, Nkotompo Bakusi, Accra Bakusi, Kumasi. So we could see and track their movement. We didn't do that. Some are still working. As we speak, this are saying the tracking devices, can we even track any of the excavators? And if you have set yourself on this very wrong footing now, must you be surprised when we come back to say excavators in the ira? No. We shouldn't be surprised. And number two, so what here, Professor from Boati Yankasano or not or the chairman for the ICIM now. Or no MIA aware say excavators now what they call designated areas, places where they themselves had been sure say the Kohasiya we can now continue with the fitting of the tracking devices in there. Into saying area you can say 500 is the custody of an individual. Was that the plan according to how we wanted to fight this Galamsey? No. And some of us were not surprised because the original document are not a Kasayan fighting Galamsey this direction, which was the MMIP. Look, along the line, it was thrown away. Then the creation of ICIM came. When you go back to look at how that MMIP document was crafted, said this problem is not happening. But it tells you that indeed the plan nana will be more clean again. Some people saw it as an avenue to make money, and that they are making it big time as we speak, including the missing of the excavators. Well, from the beginning, now we had a problem.
From what you know, and him fan and ananka sa excavators here, him fan esenka, yedisi, him fan esenka, yabuabuano edigu.
Don't worry. You see, all the mining areas will come have mining. So they were supposed to be at the district assemblies. They have spaces. It was not supposed to be in the custody or in the care of an individual. No, this is estate property. Why must you give it to an individual? Okay, so all the district assemblies, and in fact, when you go to many of the district assemblies in the western region here, especially in the three Amenfi areas, you go there to see that excavators have been parked at the district assemblies. That was the plan. So how come it ended up in the hands of one person? That should tell you that the investors, the people who are behind the Galamsey menace itself, are people who are not ready to give up. They will do all things to ensure that they win. And that's what they are doing. That's it.
Well, Oren Ponti, you see, machines, one dream as a journalist, and send bisa ben pan, as I say, bisa. Na Sansem bisa chrono. When yes, you woman, Momiano, Obrempon.
Essence MMIP, no, editor in China for ICIM, no. ICIM became the forefront of fighting this whole Galamsey matter. And he said today, if Oman or more fighting Galamsey, no, ICIM, chairman, Professor from Boating, so you excavators are, with all due respect to the professor, he is the one who is supposed to be telling us where the excavators are and not he complaining. Or complaining and ordinary citizens. No, we expect him to give us location where these things are being packed. So number one, Prof himself should not be part of us singing the songs of displaced Ghanaians. He should be giving us answers, number one. Number two, what prompted the decision to say yenyi excavators different free the district assemblies to individual households? Number three, we knew that they were going back to go and use the excavators to operate. How come we gave them the excavators without the tracking devices? When we knew that allowing every excavator everywhere could bring back the whole problem again. We knew that. So why allow that to happen in the first place? And number four, and it goes to the administration or the central government itself. If the central government is really committed to end, as I heard the president say there, he is putting his presidency on the line now. I am telling him, or I'm suggesting that the targets are the people who are in the pit. It's a missed point. I mean, it was a wrong approach. The use of the military was supposed to be like a temporary measure, like 1 month, 2 months, or maximum a year, so that you then begin to look at the people who are the brains behind the Galamsey itself. Because, Captain, I can tell you, sir, and if somebody goes to a pit, let's say a bugum sisiya, and you go and find nearby some cophobia, that's what a juma. Question is, why is it that there's this danger, but still people want to go in? Because there is a lot of motivation in there. The money that the people are putting in there is good. And if until you are ready to identify the people who are really, including the politicians themselves, the chiefs, the individual business people, until you are ready to identify these people and say, you are the man in charge of this area, and that should anything happen, when a big responsible, we should forget about this whole fight, because the motivation is so huge. The people who are buying it, they are still waiting because gold is still lucrative as we speak to buy. So they are all still standing by, looking for ways of breaking down the system, which is what we are doing. It was quite unfortunate that the people themselves who are supposed to be part of the fighting now have been seen to be part of the people rigging the system itself. And see, the president is supposed to seriously wake up, look at how we should look at these people who are willing to do everything to get the gold, so that if we decide not to mine again, then fine, it's the decision that the state is taking, which of course I know it is not going to be done. But if you want to mine, who is mining what and where? The ICIM, as we speak today. Okay. Look, with the sacking of, or with the resignation of Charles Bisi, who could you point your finger to and say that this is the person now? You bet Nyaka say with the fight against Galamsey, he is the one we should be looking at. Well,
Obrempong, my men now was bringing to young fancy here, Medasi Power Brow, Genia Chunkomo, Medasi.
Medasi Media.
Obrempong, I'm powerful, a freelance journalist, Western Regional, no, one of the Wedi Galamsey, an illegal mining near actually pa, I want Potem Hona Meneno, Acheche and Common. Ain't there are specific questions, you hear, Anuye. Scandals are CCI Ebuso, a free tricycles, Aboboya Aira, a free airbus, NFA, missing excavators. There are questions that demand answers. And Sembisa Honoma, ye hear moi, ye papa. As I said, the say on your dequa. Wiki Mitia quite smart, none of and I think I agree with him. So Professor from Pom Boateng, Wogusukra na Juba Moa, Ani na ye nimbre, say illegal mining ye betwasi, and I'm saying ye betwasi. Say Ogusu ya na Juma, Ani na as a country, we can't say that we are serious in dealing with the Galamsey menace. As answer Papai, under his watch. And as excavators in Aira, Magua Humanusuna many Dr. Eric Odro sign or a technical advisor, Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, or a lawyer and a governance expert, Meneno, Acheche and Como. Doc, sir, Otaminka, Adom FM Suni. Okay, Ahumano Ati. Yes, also and Penny Bumame, Doc Ahumano Atropi, yes, also Penny Bumamena, Meneno and Cheche and Como. Na Yenyam Wayebi. esa so man pani ba ye anamo hodo a wotui efa galamsey yi ho aban yi ba ye niam bi soso akoso abobo ya ayira se akasai aban dada no so eba scandal enso sinsen kom so man ye ni abre say ye ko katasehya ne proya. These are the issues that we need to be discussing. And somewhere say timeji bre na ya twetwe ho nkomo ebinie. It looks like it has become a trend. Now me can call Professor Ransford Jampo. And I walk say it's disingenuous. Says say a transia na election year. And son of a scandal see you're releasing in crack. It is, to quote him, disingenuous. I get to a my idiom. Nanka me Dr. Eric Odro sign. And no actual chen komo. Names and a humano entom. Men second one, men better chen komo. Corruption Watch. And Wasuguswa. Wutie Shannon so Ghana Center for Democratic Development CDD Ghana Integrity Initiative GII Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition GACC Africa Center for International Law and Accountability ASILA NFA Adom 106.3 FM ena yede ebrewo ayaminu mienu ne yebeboa etu sa na moyin enti wa in your own small way uhunu bibia ka bibi no chianjina so wait me after Corruption Watch number nini 055 22000033 055 22000033 and so wait me send a WhatsApp 055 453 6295 055 453 6295 and also so acquire website corruptionwatchghana.org obetime enya information wo ho na fe one yen edi enkita ho sa kwan yo no eso sa ye kabomu a ena sa na montuo no ebeye yie esansania akoso wa mayim dia akoso wa mayim eko eba na ti akoda eba na ti akoda eba na ti akoda the number of times aban ate committee ya hwe nsem o ma refer assembly de ama attorney general and say ebas de kra de aban refer de ama special prosecutor so wan hwehwem obia wa asudie ensam trefo yesusu ya wa asudie eza say ya ka excavators assembly galamsey asemi sa eni brenu a ensam trefo ye de hyase ye de som ati media coalition against illegal mining kiki asemu ho baabi no yete dai esa se ekoba ye ana sa enibre no a ye de hyase no ye de di akira enka galamsey efi enka excavators efi asese eyiraira enka ebehu enti ya minu nyina sade ayaminu mienu nyina ya sade excavator baako ne boɔ esu nipa da sani ene wa akoto nanka plan ni se yangidi excavators ni nyina ya fa tracking devices embo ho na fei ya sanitize yanya ntutuye ye wia obi a sa be fa na excavator afi excavator si ayira dia ekota kwa dia ba kra ha dia ko oboase etua Operation Vanguard for womjiji every illegal miners ho satuo no ewe he gold a wom sizi every illegal miners ho sa gold no eno so we he we yen sambisa ye hia no ye Wei ensem bisa ye hia no ye. Ma me pick 3 calls. Na fe yen kwanim 0302216561 0302216562 0302216561 0302216562 Corruption scandals are my affair say ebu ye kom adwen kire wo ho. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Rashid.
Me ba todi ni be kasa free.
Me dey an answer the queen when kasa free La Paz race course. What side of
answer my queen, Marintiu.
Sure. Nyame inshram any ejuma pa mafa. Ghana has sent and nyame see economy. Yeah, but modern yeah, because nipa kakra bi na it did on menu. Yeah, if I was Kenya, as I said, wo bo modern say o man ba no ubia sabe kania as I said ne insasa but more bet na so a pesemin kunyan kwa yemfasa and na wo o menu two parties NDC MPP wonyina won suban penti edum ta ese impenefo no eye won adwun na wo de won na esi form na mo media fon so mo ebo ayen na yen kasa anye sa de ase ya na ebeko na me hira mo
me da say hello, good morning.
Good morning, brother.
But what didn't be kasa free?
Mystic Neo, me kasa fra pam.
Already.
Mystic
apam yentiu
brother Morocco do Ghana no old baby oye yaw in bibu bochum na wasen confirm way to akọ Burkina waka wasam ka ya it seems excavator si woti and wo yewe excavator o machine not them asab onam na Morocco obi az nani bohu. Why is he? They don't want to talk about it. But to confirm you are making noise out of it. Yankupani one year, Juma.
Me da say.
Me don't say.
Me last one, Nafi. Yan fancy. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But what didn't be kasa free?
Ata
Babangida kasa free.
Kasa free abeka.
Yetiu. Hello, good morning.
Lamini person gen kan.
En kan so within be kasa free.
Edi a meje so anya Otafrida. Abos tinka moto.
Otafrida so mame yetiu.
Yo. Didi kan Kofata aboso kan mamenchia no. Opani, am say won some odia to gina no eye. What you say? Esem panyimfo no timi hu se enim bi mo ma omutimi ye na so tumamufo ni bi. Uni se sa excavator ho nsam abai. Anyira yo. Because yetimi fan koye scraps. And yetimi san ko tonko ko divu ana se amata nyefa. E wo Ghana ya. Nti mesra na do dan ko kufuado. Ghana fu nyina agi ni tum. Se nya me ya do ma 2020 almost ade nako. Nti baby biara excavator no biara no. Me manya information say oma ye ya de kese a na egum. Ye nkofo ko ekofa aye no. Omomode ya say ye betimi edi subo kese ade edi abowom because Ghana obiara fa say se ni be a president na be mu a oye free adi de no de nsabum ye hwe se nyen confirm assemble ye hwe se nyen opesi ye ni edie nua ye hwe kwan ya manfo fa Ghana fo sika edi di by heart Ghana fo ho kire wom by factory so enye mantimi nkoyi a na reho nana mesro wo de mi se Ghana fo nti ba ye ko ya na sebeta no asemo no opini ahwe ama ya wa fisu makosi asie nyina na Ghana fo ejije wo mu Ghana for the woman, send you know, you so betting ya man abroso. You share free education at the Bahia. The whole Ghana a blow be it's yet to be my excavator and my totoasi. It's my excavator and the farm more from daddy because in said, take a Ghana Brano, a bit young ma what the Bahia 18 years and 24 years. Take a one other call because what you know, party bien of you. Papa with me Ghana couldn't him and then another Danko Kufuado near MPP are buying into an Israel. Excavator no want some dear. Atafrida,
me da say Atafrida by me last call into me for free beer. Yamfa corruption what you want seda. Enfama Ghana Center for Democratic Development CDD. Ghana Integrity Initiative. Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition and a Center for International Law and Accountability. Star Ghana and Afahoka and Adom 106.3 FM. Edebro, now watching me Nubia Ifiada. Mejamuamba meba. Many Dr. Patrick Abuaje or your acting director general, Ghana Health Service. Edin from the dog habe or the betuja. Na yadia etori nipa se a afi ansa na yatimi atudin ye hu ni din ankasa sa wadenam Dr. Atrasi mene ne batwetwu mu nkomo ma me twa me homra me ba mene Dr. Patrick Abuaje or acting director general Ghana Health Service e batwetwu nkomo